It's the Pennyman. See those stone walls? We're in a very old area. Right over those stone walls is where I found the top of a whale oil lamp, which is really, really cool. And check this signal out. This is undeniable right here. If I turn it on an angle. All right. That is a beauty. So let's hope for a nice coin. Me and my buddy been out all day. No coins yet. Long coin. Yep, look at that largie. Not sure what it is yet, but that is a beautiful big copper. Wow. Amazing. Try and be careful with it. Wow. Unbelievable. Well, we'll try and clean it up, and I'll post some pictures somewhere, but unbelievable. There we go.